Okay, we got it, a freightliner Cummins engine 2017. Okay, so the truck, they say is the truck no start. Okay, so I don't have no computer. I'm gonna just do manually without a computer. So let's see what's the problem. Okay, I see it's moving, no start. Okay, so what I see, it has automatic transmission, Allison. Okay, so it's not detecting neutral. Okay, so that's the problem. It's not detecting neutral, no start. So of course you gotta check them little. Of course you gotta check the little things first. Let's see what you're gonna check first. We're gonna check the fuse relays. They got a fuse on the batteries, so that's the main thing that you gotta check. But I'm gonna do without computer, because if I connect with the computer, definitely we're gonna have a communication with TCM, or no communication with TCM. That's the code. So I'm not gonna spend time just connecting the computer. So I'm just gonna go straight to Diagnostic, see what I can find the problem. First step, I'm going to the battery. So of course we got the batteries right here on the driver's side. Okay, so we got it. I got it. Connect my power proof. Okay, I check. See, I don't know. This fuse does go for the lights, but I'm still in checking all the fuses. You see any wire broke on the batteries? Okay, I don't see nothing wrong. Okay, so we go right here. So we got to the front of the truck. They got a fuses right here too. Okay, we got a power. Okay, so we got all the fuses. Okay, now I gotta check the relays. But what I see, it's right here. You see, it's a fresh tape. Maybe a month ago I got it untaped. You gotta see, maybe the problem somewhere around these areas. So that's the computer, TCM computer right here. I gotta see on the TCM computer has to be 2 powers and 2 grounds. Okay, so 1 power is gotta be constantly and 1 is gotta be initial. So I gotta unplug and check that one too. But I'm pretty sure most of these trucks, they got problems somewhere in these areas. Let's see, let me see. Okay. So sometimes these wires getting loose somewhere right here. So I'm gonna shake. Maybe I have the lucky to start the truck. Okay. So I'm shaking this one. Okay. And I'm gonna try to see if it starts. Because most of the problem is somewhere already serious. Let's see. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I turn the switch on. Ooh, there you go. We got signals. So something's going on right there because I just moved. Okay, let's see if we start this truck. Okay. Oof. Truck starts. So it's something around the area. So it look like the fresh tape. What they did, like now, it's not a long time ago. It's like probably month. Some of the technician works in there, so maybe there's a connection loose in there or something. So I got to untape it and verify. So because I just moved, so that was the problem. Okay, so now the truck starts. Now I got to untape and verify. Okay. This is a quick video on freightliner with Cummins engine, truck 2017.